Hi class, today I'm going to walk you through how we can upload a Seesaw assignment on our Seesaw for math. So Miss Halbeck is going to take her mouse and I'm going to click on this second thing over here, the little light bulb where it says activities. I'm going to click on that. And then in here, we've already talked about how we can go through the assignment and click on the video and play the directions. But Ms. Halbig's always helped all of you put in your responses. So we're going to click this green little box right down here that has this plus. We're going to click on that. And then you're going to click your name. And the pages for practice that come up that we're trying to do. And it says to use pencil. So I'm going to click the pencil here at the bottom. And I'm going to use my mouse and I'm going to trace the number. I'm going to draw my own. I'm going to do my own here. And this is the number 6. So this is hard to do on a computer, but on the iPads, it should be a lot easier for friends because you'll use your finger. So pretend Miss Halbeck's done with this paper. I'm going to go over and I'm going to click on the second one. And we've already gone over all of the directions and you're going to color. So here you could pick a different tool to use. Use a color other than yellow. And then you're going to follow the directions. Then we're going to click on the third page over here. And we'll do this as a class, but Miss Halbeck would have you count the objects and write the number. So here you can use either pencil or marker, doesn't matter to me. And then when you're all done, you're going to click the check mark over here. And when you click the check mark, it means that you're all done. So I clicked the check mark and now it goes into this holding place where I have to go in and look at it. And then it'll pop up into your journal, which is really, really cool. So we're going to practice this and maybe we'll do another fun assignment on there soon.